How to create Barclays account. First of all, open your browser and go to banking.barclaysus.com to visit the official website. Tap on the Savings and CDs option. From there, choose Online Savings Account and then tap on Open Account. Next, prepare some important details before you proceed. You will need your social security number or taxpayer identification number and your external bank's routing and account number to make the initial deposit. Now select your account preferences, like whether it's a single or joint account. After that, you will need to fill out your personal information including your full name, social security number, date of birth, country of citizenship, email address and phone number. Then enter your full home address along with your occupation. You will also need to provide security information for added protection. After that, tap Continue and provide your account details followed by funding information such as the type of account. Enter the amount for your opening deposit and provide your funding account details, routing number, account type, and owner's name. Following this, create your user ID and password for online banking access. Make sure to enroll in two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. Finally, agree to the terms and conditions by checking all the required boxes and then tap the Submit button to complete your account opening process. Your account will be created and the initial deposit will be transferred from your external bank. Now you know how to create a Barclays account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.